Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about how to delete all the reposts on TikTok at once. If you're looking to clean up your profile by removing all those reposts in one go, you're in luck. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to delete all your TikTok reposts at once. First things first, open up your TikTok app and make sure you've logged in into your account. Now, click on your account and click on Repost. Now, if you want to delete just one, click on it and click on the three buttons. There should be an option to remove it from your repost, and when you find it, click on it and it should be gone. But if you want to delete all of it, click on the three buttons on the top right. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. Here, look for Report a Problem. Now, click on Videos and Sounds. Once that is open, click on Other and then click on Need More Help. Now you have to mention all the problems and write about how you want all your reposts to be deleted and even attach a screenshot of your repost here. Once all of this is done, you just have to wait for the algorithm and that will go through all your problems and successfully remove all your reposts. And that's how you delete your reposts on TikTok at once. It's a simple way to tidy up your profile and maintain the content that you want. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and keep creating amazing content. Until next time, bye.